Good day, everyone. I'm Dr. Nruthai Senaraj from Mahidol University. I'm pleased to present our review article titled Genomic Selection for Sustainable Dairy Cattle Improvement in 5 ASEAN Countries, a comparative review. Genomic selection, or GS, is a powerful method that uses molecular genetics markers to improve production efficiency. It enhances genetic gain at a young age, which reduces the generation interval and increases the accuracy of selection. This approach is beneficial for animals without extensive records. Understanding the current status of GS application in 5 ASEAN countries is crucial for planning and promoting sustainable dairy cattle improvement in the region. Therefore, this review article aims to comparative analysis of the progress and challenges of GS implementation in dairy cattle improvement across 5 ASEAN countries, including China, Thailand, Vietnam, Myanmar, and Cambodia. Our review highlights the country-specific status of GS in dairy breeding program. China stands out as regional leader. They have advanced infrastructure and national-scale genomic program that integrate data from diverse geographic and climatic conditions. It has improving GEBV and increases prediction accuracy. Thailand has steadily advanced in the application of GS. It has integrating single-step genomic bluff for improved predictive accuracy of important tests. However, it has high genotyping costs, limited genomic infrastructure, and limited data of smallholder farms. Vietnam is in the early stage of GS. It had initial studies in milk solid traits, though more infrastructure and robust datasets are required. Myanmar and Cambodia are minimal GS activity and early development stage due to infrastructure limitations, inadequate data management systems, and insufficient technical expertise. They largely rely on traditional breeding methods. Opportunities and strategies for sustainable genomic selection. We focus on first, promote regional collaboration and resource sharing. Second, invest in national data infrastructure and genotyping tools. And third, strengthen human capital and support smallholders. In conclusion, genomic selection in China and Thailand are leading with notable progress, while Vietnam, Myanmar, and Cambodia still face key challenges. Moving forward, regional collaboration, target investment, affordable technologies, inclusive support for smallholders will be essential. This study was financially supported by Lan Chang Mekong Cooperation Special Fund. We would like to thank International Symposium on Strengthening Dairy Science Innovation in Lan Chang Mekong countries and the 13th National Animal Science Conference of Thailand 2025. Thank you.